Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, VW 1969 1600cc Dormobile conversion campervan. Tax exempt and MOT exempt. Got the pop-up roof. It's a 4-berth, so 2 people can sleep up in the roof, and there's a double bed that makes up in the rear. It's got 4 seat belts and it's a 4-berth. As you can see, different wheels on the front to on the back. It's had a very expensive front axle conversion. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds worth of invoices and receipts that go with the vehicle. It's a good daily, not saying that it doesn't want some work, bit of rot here and there, but MOT exempt, tax exempt. What you can do is get in and drive this vehicle anywhere. New engine, only done about 3,000, just over 3,000 miles. Upgraded brakes, upgraded front axle, goes well, stops well, drives very, very well. Nice inside. There's a spare wheel for the rear axle inside, and there's a spare wheel for the front axle on the front of the vehicle. Nice thick heavy duty curtains in there, sink, cooker, grey water and fresh water tanks. There's cutlery, knives, forks, plates. The radio is just for show. I'm told those stickers are original. Nicely upholstered. There's a plastic tray that I think goes up under the dashboard that you can clip in. There's owner's manuals and various spares, generally in good condition. We open the slide door. There's the pop-up roof with the skylights, Dormobile conversion. There's one of the spare wheels and there's one on the front. That one is for the front axle. Has 240 hookup, so show you. There's sockets behind the seat there. There's the cable and you plug it in just underneath there. Okay, there's the original Dormobile. My camera isn't, but there's the original Dormobile Limited Folkestone and the registered number of this conversion. Always been right-hand drive, not a left-hand drive conversion or anything. Inertia seat belts there, and there's your hookup bag. Cooker, there's tables slotted away in there, some spare parts down there. Sink, there's lighting in here, the pump works, there's bowls, knives, forks, water, cups. There's a gas bottle as well in the back of there. It all works. We can put the water on, it pumps, interior lights work. As I say, 240 volt hookup. There we go. Does drive very, very well. Tow bar. Show you in here. All nice and clean. Show you the new engine. There you go. Lovely. Sounds nice. Runs beautifully. Done around 3,000 miles. There's a new battery there. Tow bar. I'll start her up in a minute. There's a hole there and there's a hole on the other side. sitting, showing 26,000 miles, got to be 126 I would think. There you go. Are we neutral? We are. There you go. Running, drives really well, nice and quiet, goes very well. Got it up for 10,995. Bear in mind it does want a little bit of welding, but it's a good daily, can be driven as it is. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other cars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.